all of this information that you see here, it's hidden from you. So DJI doesn't want you to see this information for the batteries. Of course, you can do it by using my Smart Battery reader. Hello everyone, this is the part 2 of the Smart Battery reader, and today we are gonna see some hidden information from a DJI Smart Battery. If you want to do it yourself, you'll find the source code on my GitHub account, link in the description. This is the setup. This is the Smart Battery reader, and this is a Mavic battery from 5 years ago. Here are some wires with the communication, so the I2C communication, also SMBus protocol. It's coming through these wires and it's connecting to the DJI battery. I'm sorry for the messy setup, but it is what it is. And with this Smart Battery reader, you can actually see some hidden parameters of your DJI Smart Battery. And if I zoom in to the device, you'll see here that you have the voltage, you have the absolute state of charge, which is 46%, and also the relative state of charge, 52%. And if I zoom a bit closer, which is not possible by the way, you'll see that the full charge capacity, it's around 3000 milliamp hours, and this is from 3500 milliamp hour, which was the originally capacity of this battery. And the degradation, it's a bit normal, I would say, for 5 or 6 years. And also the cycle count, it's not that big, but because it has some 6 or 5 years, it degraded over time. So you'll see a lower capacity and a lower absolute state of charge. It's also measuring the temperature and the current. It's 0 amps because I have no load. Also, the load indication for this one, it's not real. So the load itself, it's on right now. As you can see, the LEDs are on. But this could be updated in the firmware to display this information as well. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.